Hey guys, good morning. This is Mike with Future Trading with Mike, and we are here. I'm here doing another live day trading session on the Emini S&P 500s. Hope everyone's off to a great morning. I've just started looking at my charts right now, guys. I'm just sitting down and starting to look at the market right now. It is currently 9:53 right now, so sorry about that. So let's take a look at the higher time frame chart as I always do. Hey guys, I want to start off and say this, and I'm probably going to say this in every one of my videos. If you haven't been following the channel, if you're new to the channel, hey, you come to the right channel. If you're looking for someone to understand price action from, to learn price action, just watch my live trading videos. You will learn price action, guys. Price action is not as hard as it seems. But let's take a look at one thing right quick. I'm trying to see something here. Okay. But yeah, you found the right channel, guys. I appreciate everyone for tuning in and watching the videos every single day. Those that are my that have my following base, the ones that are subscribed to the channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, guys, and subscribe to the channel. I'm a live day trader. I intraday trade the markets every single day, primarily the S&P 500 E-mini, the futures here. So I'm a futures trader, and you can trade any market in particular, whether it's options, um, forex, futures, doesn't matter, stocks, whatever it is, you can trade it. But I always say this, and anybody that's been following my channel, they'll say the same thing. I know what he's getting ready to say. What is he getting ready to say? Price action. Price action is the key, guys. So please, please, please learn price action, guys. And if you follow the channel, you will learn price action. You can send me an email if you have any questions. I will be more than glad to respond back. But please go ahead at this time, guys, and like the video, guys, because I'm getting ready to get into the live day trading session here. Hit that thumbs up button for me, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the market now. Yesterday, the market was bullish, guys. If you watched the video from yesterday, if you saw my video yesterday, I talked about what happened in the session, pretty much. So the market was bullish. So right now we see some retracement going on, correct? All right. So let's start to identify and look at some levels, that we can actually, uh, you know, possibly take a trade from. That's the key, right? So let's see what we have. Let's see. So price came down to this area right here and bounced. Okay, there was a swing high right here. Price pulled back and pushed higher. Okay, so it bounced right here. Okay, and that was at 8:40 this morning. Price is pushing a little lower. It is testing. It looks like this level right here. Now I didn't get into the trade because I'm just looking at the market, talking to you guys, and I'm gonna let you know this. Trading and trying to explain things are sometimes difficult, guys. It can be difficult, especially trading, because you have to be 100% mentally focused on what you're doing. Or anyone that trades knows that it's not easy, and you can quickly lose money as quick as you can gain and make money. You can lose it just as fast. So. Um, but yeah, without further ado, let's kind of look and see what we got going on here in the market. So I just marked two little levels there. Price broke this area here, pushing down to the downside. So what could possibly happen now? Well, could we push higher? Of course we could. If we look at a higher time frame, like yesterday, let's look at the 60-minute, which is a higher time frame. But what the market, we were here yesterday. Okay, market pushed hard to the upside, pull back, and continue pushing higher. So now we have a high here at 45.42. All right, so that's what we stand at right now. And let's just take a look and see what the market's doing. Let's see what could possibly happen here. So, guys, you know me. I'm always looking for levels, and we're looking like we're pulling back. We're tracing back to the point of control right here in this area here. So this was a yeah, that was a long right there. Right here, this area right here is the same area right here. So let's see. Let's see if the price can pull down to this area right here. Actually, I'm sorry. Let's see if the price can actually bounce right here. I'm sorry. Price can actually bounce right here. I was looking at something else. But yeah, price could bounce in this area right here and push higher to the point of control. But we have resistance sitting right above us, so that would not be a you know too good of an area to trade from. So let's see what happens when price gets back to this area right here. Now what we have going on here is that we need to see price take out this swing right here, the swing to the downside. Right here, the top of that swing is at 45.26 and a half, pretty much. But so price push it higher here, pull back, push higher, pull back to this area right here. So now what is it doing is we're tracing back to the same area right here. So yeah, so let's see what happens here. That may take a little long. I'm not sure yet. So we'll see. It'll be very short-lived. um, okay, I'm in the market just for a quick little scalp, guys. Market can push a little lower. You can come down to here. Yep, I just mentioned that. Okay, bought another contract. What's going on here? Come on. Tell you what, let's keep it at 2. And come on, don't play that game. Push up. Come on. I'm thinking it's gonna right here at 45.16 and a half. It's probably where it's gonna gas out at. Okay, it wants to. It's not wanting to push higher so far. Okay, so it's already kind of hit that area right there by a few ticks. Hopefully I get filled in this little trade here. I'm scalping, guys, right now. I'm scalping just for a few ticks. Not much going on in the market. So, okay, there we go. We got filled. All right. So I entered the market just a little bit too early, but it's fine. So price, I just mentioned this area right here. We can't push through this and test the VPOC. So I'm not sure what the market's going to do here. And today is the 31st. Okay. All right. The market is, yeah. Okay. VPOC just shifted on us. Okay, so on that trade there, I just picked up a quick 8 ticks, guys. I'll show you that. Quick 8 ticks. So this is scalping the Emini the Emini S&P 500, guys. That's all it is. Simple as that. That's all I'm doing. So yeah, quick scalp. Okay, we gotta get out this trade because I can see what the market's trying to do already. Let me go ahead and scalp this area right quick and get out. Okay, quick little scalp there, just picking up a couple ticks there. Nothing much at all. I knew the market would bounce right here. So price has got to break higher. First of all, it's got to do is got to start taking these swing levels out. These little swings to the upside. So the market's not doing much. I mean, we opened up right here at the 45.26 area, and it's just pushed down. So haven't done much. I'm just scalping right now. Just just taking a quick little profit, and that's all I'm doing. So let's wait for price to get out of this area here. We'll continue trading, guys. But go ahead, yeah, go ahead and like the video, guys. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you have not. But we're around a no-no area, which is the VPOC, guys. So I'm waiting to see if price is going to break some further areas to the upside. So this is the major. This is a big swing to the downside. Push down, pull back, push lower. So this same swing you see right here, this is the same swing on this lower time frame chart, which you can actually see more micro swings in this area. So, all right. So let's see what happens. So when price came down here, it rejected. You look for that failure there. It would have been quite difficult to get in this right here at what's called like a V-shaped reversal, because price didn't kind of give you that W formation or structure there to go long. But when price pushed up and pulled back, this was your long entry right here. Right here was your long. So that's what I waited on. At the close of this, price pull back right here. At the close, well, it would have been a little difficult here, only because you could have went long right here. To be honest with you, the close of this green candle right here, that should have been my long. I just entered the trade just a little too early. But I know what I'm doing, guys. If you follow my channel and look at my videos, you always see me. I'm pretty much dead on it every single time I take a trade. All right, so let's see. Markets at the VPOT. Excuse me, guys. Got something in my throat. Take a sip of my good old coffee here. Maybe a little too strong. But that's okay. But yeah, the tips I can give you guys is follow the channel. Follow the channel. You will learn price action. Because, one thing I do, and I always say in my videos, is that I show you, you see me trade live, and also explain the levels where I traded from. So that was a level right there, that red line that I took a trade from. I just didn't take it when price came back to that area right there. So when price pushed up and came back to this level right here, I didn't take it like that, guys. I waited for the rejection. It didn't show me that V. Normally you'll get like a W shape or W formation right there, and then you can take a long, but it didn't give me that. So I had to wait for price come to the level. It rejected. It did what's called a V-shaped reversal pretty much. It pushed right hard to the upside. And then on the pullback right here, this is where I already got into the trade right here. That should have been your entry. So of course, we're at the VPOC right now. Price is just wanting to, what does it do around the VPOC? It just wants to sit around there. Eventually it'll decide which direction it wants to move. Yeah, I'm waiting to see what's going to happen here. If price can't take out this high, like I told you, at 45.26, it's going to want to push lower. It's going to break this low right here. It's got to take this area here out. So far, what we see it not doing, we see it not taking this little micro swing out. And if it can't do that, then it's going to want to push lower. We'll see. So trading, you just can't be jumping in and out of trades. You'll lose money that way. You have to wait patiently and be disciplined in your with the locations and wait. That's how you make money in the market, is being patient. All right, it's taking this swing here out to the upside. So let's see what could happen. Problem is we got it up. Okay, so all right. Okay. Yeah, we could be trying to push higher, to be honest with you. I just gotta look for a pullback. Going long. You guys see me taking a long, right? All right. Now I'm taking this too early. I should have waited for the pullback. Should have waited for a pullback. Okay. Come on. Ah, the VPOC just shifted on me to the upside. All right. Come on. Hopefully we can get filled in this trade. I don't like when the VPOC shifted up like that, so it's kind of a little scary, a little iffy here. Come on. I may take just a couple of ticks right here. This price can bounce right above this. There we go. Okay, I got filled in that trade there. Price can stop right here, this area right here. So you have to be mindful of that. See this bounce right there. Anyways, so let's look. I'm just scalping, guys. I'm scalping to take a quick profit here in the market. All right, so I'm up 16 ticks now. Okay, let me show you that to you guys. Pull it back up. Give me a second. Okay, so 16 ticks right now. All right. And that's $200 flat. Okay. So I've only been in the market maybe 15 minutes, 16 minutes now, and picked up $200 real quick. So, hey, that's someone's full work day. So I'm just showing you anybody you can do this, guys. You just gotta follow price action, and price could continue pushing. We can continue pushing higher, but one thing we're going to have to do, to be honest with you, yeah, we're going to have to take out this area right here. Take out the top end of this swing right here. This is a mess right here. Price take this area here out, it's going to push higher. So I'm going to be prepared to possibly look for an entry that the market can do its thing and take this area here out. From the the point of control is actually shifted up here. So price is approaching a level where I have this purple line at. So okay, let me see what happens here. Ooh. Yeah, we're too close around the point of control. We are at a level though. Well, yeah, it's just too close around the point of control. I don't like this area. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. This would be potential area down here. Move this line out the way. Okay. Mm. Huh. Okay, I'm going long. All right. Okay, took a quick little long right there. Saw rejection right here. Price is Probably going to kind of stumble or pause right here. Okay, that purple line was my level. This is where price pushed up, pulled back, making a swing to the upside, and trying to taking out this swing right here to the downside, pretty much. So price pushed up, pulled back, pushed higher, swing to the downside, trying to take out. Price pulled back. I'm waiting for that level. I marked my level right here at this swing, swing to the upside, lower portion of this high volume area, and I took a little entry scalp trade there, right there. So that was my trade. Okay. Let's wait to see what happens here. And that was my explanation of that trade there, guys. I mean, price, and this was within this swing here. This push down, pull back, push lower. This was within this little swing right here. This swing to the downside. There was a swing within a swing. Price push down, pull back, push lower. And then you have this swing within this big swing. And that swing was right here. Price push down, pull back, push lower. There's a swing right here inside this bigger swing. So when price turned back around, pivoted, pushed higher, pushed up, pulled back, pushed higher, it was trying to take out this swing right here. On the pullback to this swing right here to the upside is where I marked my level to look for price to possibly react and do something at that level. But yeah, we could push lower and retest this level here. And we could retest it, but more than likely we're probably going to push even lower because price still has not taken out this high right here at 45.26. Yeah, I don't like this. Let's see. I don't like this right here. Come on, price. Move away from the V-pop. Yeah, market hasn't done too much. Market open up right here at this high right here. The top end of the swing before it started pushing down and making this pullback. So this could actually be a, I think it's a little short, right? I think it was actually a short right here at 45.23. Let me take a look. Um, this would have been a pullback. Push down, pushed up, push down, pullback, and yeah, this was a short. I don't know why I didn't catch that short. Wasn't paying attention. My mind was focused more so on taking a long entry. Um, mm, Let me see something. Mm, Yeah, price can pause right here at the V pot. Yeah, we are in a little wedge. You can see right here. It's a wedge. This is a wedge, and we're going to wait for price to move outside of this wedge. It's the wedge. Let me show you. See that? That's a wedge. That's a wedge. Price not wanting to take out this high here, so it made a lower high. It's a lower high, wedge. It's got to either go up or go down. Can't take this swing to the upside. I mean, take this little swing high right here out. It's going to probably more likely if it can't take this out. If it pushes lower, it's going to probably break through this level right here and push lower. So we'll see. But this was a short right definite short, and I didn't see that. I was looking for levels below to take a entry long, but the market was in a channel. It's in a channel right now. It wasn't a channel to the downside. Let me show you here. This is a channel. Channel. Low, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So price could be in a channel right now to the downside. Just got to be mindful and pay attention to things like that. That's all. All right. We'll see. Um. mm, yeah. I like to say take this area here out. Take this high here out. Come on. Take that high out and I go long. Let's see what we got though. Gotta be patient. Patience is the key to trading. Come on. If price can take this high here, I believe I'm pretty sure it's going to come up here and test around the 45.25 area, which is pretty that close to the highs right here. It's just playing around the point of control. That's all. This is um, mm, that was a short. Yeah, price is going to bounce right around this area where this level's at. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, please take the time to subscribe to the channel. I price action trade the Emini S&P 500 every day. I try to do it every day and post my videos to the channel, guys. I have tons of other videos that you can go back and watch. For those that follow the channel, like I said, I appreciate you watching the videos and give me a like and hit that thumbs up button and it's I really appreciate you watching the channel because I'm doing this because I know that there are people out there who want to learn how to trade the right way And honestly, the only way, true way to learn how to trade is to learn price action. That's the honest. There's no other way to learn it. I mean, if you guys want to waste your time and money buying programs or listening to paid mentorship or so-called guru that wants to teach you or offer you a training program that to say something else, maybe an indicator package or God knows I've been seeing it all. So the only way to do it, guys, to be honest with you, is, and I'm an honest person, is to learn price action. And that's what I do here on this my channel. If you watch my videos, like I said, we follow, because I explained to you why I took a trade, where I took it from. Price action is not it's not hard to follow, to understand. It's just following price movement. That's all it is. It's just knowing where to find locations, the market's levels to take trades from, and knowing where to steer or stay away from and to not trade at. You just have to be able to read price action, understand what the market's doing. Right now, it's not doing anything to where I want to take a trade. If it broke this area up top here at 45.23, but that won't be much though. It'd be a very narrow area to be trading in, because right above that we have resistance. So I'll put the video on pause here until we can get to an area where I can trade from. All right, so let's see. I'm back here just waiting to see if price is going to break this area. I'm really looking forward to price breaking this area here, guys. And I know if price breaks this area here, it could possibly pull back down to 21.5, 22 area for a retracement. So I have to be mindful of that. Price is moving sideways. Continue moving sideways. Okay. Maybe it'll finally break it now. Hopefully it will. I'm not sure. Moving sideways in this area. All right, guys. So, okay. I know price can pull back. I know it can pull back. Yep, I know it can pull back. So I'm being careful here. 21, 25. It could pull back. I didn't wait for the pullback. I'm taking a trade at the break, so I'm not waiting for the pullback, and I'm not telling you guys to do that. I don't recommend doing that. If you've been following my channel, you know I take trades based on pullbacks, and excuse me. So that's my trading style, how I trade. But I was a little aggressive here because I know what price is trying to do. I know it's probably going to want to test up here to at least the 45.25 area. Excuse me. So I'm gonna bring my profit target right here for that first contract. The price could actually come on back down. It could actually come down to 45.20, to be honest with you, before wanting to push higher. So I'm gonna have to play this one by ear. Well, let's try to get filled here. Ah, come on. Oh, boy. I knew it would do that. 50. You see it hit right to the tick and didn't fill the order. Ah, the price can pull back like I said, so I got a contract sitting back here to um, scale in case it does pull back, which it probably will. In all honesty, I probably should pull this back a little lower. This scaling contract, this contract to scale in. I'm thinking around it, right where I have it at 40, 45.21 and 3/4, because that's probably what price is probably going to come back to. So we're at this high right here, the top end of this swing to the downside, and price is not wanting to. It's not filling my order yet. Now it wants to pull back. Uh, I expected it to do this. See it pull back. I knew it would. That's why I said take the trade on a pullback. See, price broke this area and a swing to the upside, and the pullback should be right somewhere between 45.21. Guys, give me a second. I got to take a phone call right quick. I'm gonna let this the recording play, and hopefully we get filled on our orders up here at 45.24 and 3/4. Actually, I should wait to see. Let me wait to see if price is going to hit this the scaling contract here. Okay, there it goes. So, all right, I'm going to do this right here. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. All right, supply price is still playing around. Um, that's why I scaled in with that contract, guys. I knew price would, after breaking this swing to the upside, pushing up here, pulling back, pushing higher, taking another swing here, and then what it does is pulls back. I knew it was probably going to come down to at least, like I said, the 45.21 area. So, but I entered at the close of this candle right here, this green candle to the upside, after taking this swing to the downside right here, this little swing to the downside out. This was the candle that took it out right here, that green candle to the upside. I entered at the close, so I entered way too early. And anybody that watches my channel, you always know I look for a pullback, but I was aggressive here and I entered the market way too early. So um, with that said, let me see one thing here. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I think we should get filled here. We'll just hold it out here and wait for the market to hit that area. Wait for the market to hit that area there. So we're at 11 o'clock now. Come on, push on up. They should want to push higher. Hmm. What is this crazy market doing? We do got resistance up here, so we gotta be mindful of that. The price has already hit 45.24 area. So that is an area of resistance. Huh. It is an area of resistance. May need to take my profit. 45.20. Yeah, I may need to take my profit and move forward. Something is price is hitting resistance and we're not wanting to take it out. So 24. Yeah, I take the trade too. Come on, push up. Yeah, you got resistance right here. Right here, price hit that before. So right here, this is an area of resistance. Price so far does not want to take it out. It's trying to push higher. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna close that. All right. Yep. There it goes. Let's see. Area of resistance right here. Okay, let's see what happens right here. Actually, okay. I'm going to enter into a trade here. because I'm pretty sure price is going to test at least the 45.25 area. Come on. There we go. Come on, push up. All right. Okay. Just scalping, guys. I know price is going to test this area right here, so that's why I took a little trade right there. See, 45.25. Boom, right there. I knew what it was going to do. It was just taking forever to do it. So I should have originally stayed in my first trade. But let me explain that trade to you. I think I've already explained it once. But what took place here, of course, there was a level sitting right here. When price pushed down lower right here, push down, pull back, push lower. On the pivot, when it turned back around, it pushed up, pulled back, and pushed higher on this swing to the upside. This swing to the upside was a swing that took out this swing to the downside. So we're waiting for, once that swing, we're looking for a swing to take out another swing, basically. This swing to the upside took out this swing to the downside. And when it took that swing out, it pulls back to, this is your level right here at 45.21, which was, let's see, right here. This was it right here. This would have been it right here. This would have been your pullback area is what I'm trying to say. So let me see what price is trying to do right here. So crazy because, see, watch this. Let me show you. I'm gonna take a quick little scalp. I'll take a quick little scalp right here. Watch. There you go. Quick little scalp. Just that easy. I can read price action like I know exactly what it's going to do, guys. So that's why I say stay tuned to the channel because, I show you, price action, fall price movements. I show you with my entries, I explain why. I go in depth. I explain to you why to get a trade, A lot of people won't do that. They just mark a level and show you, boom, that's it, Or say, hey, look, I made $500 a day. I made $500 a day trading whatever market, and they don't go back and explain the trades and go into depth about the levels they traded from and why they traded from that level. So that's what I do here on this channel. And if you follow the channel, and I just ask that you like the content, like the video, and subscribe to the channel as well, guys. And that's pretty much all I have today. I'm just buying the dips. That's what I call it. I'm just buying the dips on a pullback. That's all it is. Buying the dips, buying the lows, and then trading those, and that's it. And you can do the same thing every single day. So, guys, I appreciate everyone watching the channel. And that's going to do it for this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a good one.